channel. In today's video, I'll be doing the review of my Prada Galleria bag. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the dust bag that it came with. I just wanted to show you before I get started. So let's open this. So this is my Prada Galleria bag in the color black or Nero. And this is in the size medium. Let me give you the overview of the bag. It's made of Saffiano leather with a gold tone hardware. It has the leather handles and it has the removable leather keychain right here. It has the metal lettering logo and a leather triangle at the front right here. It has the snap closure on both sides. And this bag has 4 feet at the bottom. Let me show you the shoulder straps. It has its own pouch also. This is the adjustable and removable shoulder straps. Let me tell you the size of the bag. It's 12.6 inches in width, 9.5 inches in height, and 5.3 inches in depth. So there are 2 big zipper pockets right here in the front and one in the back, and a wide space inside. And inside right here, there's 2 slip pockets right here. 2 slip pockets right there. And another wider slip pocket right here with the Prada logo right there. Another zip pocket right there. So it's a pretty big space right here. And let me open this pocket so you can see. And the lining of the bag has the Prada logo. I purchased this bag in 2016. At the time, they're still making this bag with this slit pocket. I think the newer version does not have the slip pocket, and this one still has the slip pocket. Okay, moving on, let's talk about the pros and cons of the bag. Let's start with the pros. As you can see, this bag has a very timeless and classic design, so I consider this a pro of the bag. Because of the sleek and classic design, it has stood the test of time, and that's one of the pro of the bag. And because of the Saffiano leather, it's very durable. And it's a very carefree bag. I've had it for the past 4 years. I've traveled with this bag. It's been through snow, through rain, and it's just easy to wipe it down. It's a very carefree bag. So it's very durable, it's very functional, and as you can see, it's very spacious. It has a lot of compartments. It's a very minimal classic design, and it's a good work bag. And because of its structured design, I like it as a good work bag. Moving on to the cons of the bag. One of the cons of this bag is it gets too heavy. Because if you notice, the bag is very structured, and look at the straps. The shoulder strap is very thin, and it digs into your shoulder. If you have a lot of stuff inside the bag, and if you're carrying it on your shoulder, if you're carrying it as a crossbody, it digs into your shoulder. So you just have to be very careful about that. Just know that somehow if you put a lot of things inside, it will dig into your shoulder. Another con of this bag, when you're carrying this as a crossbody bag, because of its structure design, when you're carrying it as a crossbody bag, it just doesn't sit well on your body because it's too stiff. So I don't like to carry it as a crossbody. I just want to carry it as a top handle or on my shoulder. It just doesn't sit well with me as a crossbody. And the last con for me is the zippers. It's not as smooth. If you notice, it's just kind of hard to open it. It's just right here. It's not as smooth to open the zipper. Look, so I had to like tug and pull just to kind of help with my other hand right there. So it's not as smooth. So that's one con of this bag. Other than that, it's a beautiful bag. I love it. Wear and tear of the bag, I don't see any issues with the bag. If you notice, the hardware, the gold hardware is still shiny. If you look at it, still very shiny. The logo, I don't see any wear, even on the corners of the bag. The leather is very durable. I just inspected this. I really didn't see any wear on the bag. Definitely no tear on the bag, so it's a really good investment piece. The Saffiano leather is really durable, so I highly recommend this bag. If you're looking for a good work bag, a good investment piece, a very durable, functional bag, I highly recommend this bag. I guess that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and God bless. Bye, guys.